How can you make use of crypto explorers like Solana to find out what pro traders, smart money, key opinion leaders, and holders, the actual crypto in their wallets? In this video, I'm going to take you to Solana. If you don't know how to make use of Solana, if it is this particular one, you are going to know how to find out what pro traders are buying. What are the crypto assets in their portfolio? Let's go to Solana and find out. This is very simple. I'm going to make this video very short and on point. Now, let's go to Solana and let me show you. So guys, this is Dev Screener. So we are going to make use of Dev Screener, and I'm going to pick one of these tokens you are seeing on the screen. So I have actually selected Solana blockchain so that all the tokens we are going to see here will be Solana based token. Now let's click on this chill house, this one. Let's click on this chill house because I can see the liquidity is over $1 million. So that means we are going to find pro trader from it. As you can see, the liquidity. Now the next thing is to click on a transaction. Look at transactions at the bottom. Click on that transaction at the bottom. So it's going to take you here. I think some of us will understand how to make use of this. Then there are different ways you can get to Solana, Sol Explorer. There are different ways, but the easiest way to find the top traders is to click on, you see top traders here. So when you click on that top traders, then you'll be able to find the traders who are doing well. You can see their PNL here. Now I'm not going to explain how you can pick the right pro traders here, because I've done video on this many times. But what I want to explain to you basically is how to find their portfolio on Explorer. Now let's pick, like all these pro traders here, let's pick one or two wallets here, or let's say single wallets. Let me pick a single wallet here. I can even come down here and see. Okay, let's pick this one. So once you look at the token, maybe through the PNN and the rest, now this is where you can click on any one of the, as you can see, this XP simply means Explorer there. So I will click on, let me just click on any one of it. It will take me to Explorer. This is a Sol Explorer here, so which is called a Solana. Here is very simple. This is very simple. First of all, look at here. Look at this place. This is the sole balance of this trader. You can see how much this particular trader has. And these are the tokens. Look at the tokens. 454 tokens. That is what this particular trader has in his or her portfolio. But to better see it very well, actually you can click it and you will see everything. So for instance, now let me click on all these tokens here. You can see these are the tokens, but I'm not going to make use of these routes now. Don't let us make use of this. Just scroll down, and look at this place. Look at this place where you are going to see transaction, transfer, DeFi activities, and the rest. Now scroll like this, scroll like this, scroll like this, scroll like this, and come to portfolio. Look at portfolios there. Look at portfolio. Just click on portfolio. When you click on portfolio, it will be very easy for you to find out everything. So let's click on portfolio. And let's see. Now look at portfolio of this person. Now scroll like this. Look at the token name. You see token name there. These are the token this particular trader has. Look at it. Now you can see it has 43 pages. Look at it here. 43 pages. So this is the first page. This is the first page. You can see all the token this person has in his or her wallet, and you can see the amounts. You see the symbol of those tokens. You see the token balance. So this is very simple. Then if you want to go to the second page, just click here. Now this is the second page. You can see these are the tokens this particular person has. And you can even see the value of each and every one of them. Look at the value. Look at the value, the percentage and everything. See the value of each and every one of them. So these are the token. And if you can see the aggregate. If you come up here, you can see the worth of all the crypto. Look at the worths. Look at the worths here. So I don't want to mention figures here because of TikTok particularly, but you can see the figure here. So this is very simple. This is how to check traders' portfolios on Solscan. This is particularly for Solana based tokens. There are ways of getting them on other blockchain, but we understand that Solana is one of the leading blockchains where tokens are curated. So that is why I'm showing you this.